Looking to move from Zendesk to Jira Service Management without losing your data? Meet Help Desk Migration, the automated solution for fast, secure, and hassle-free data transfers. Whether you're migrating a large dataset or multiple Zendesk brands, this migration tool is built to handle it all smoothly. You stay in control, selecting your target Jira project and setting an issue type for tickets. In just a few simple steps, you can transfer Zendesk data such as tickets, agents, organizations, customers, sections, articles, and related records. Our automated service helps match and map your data easily, ensuring all fields stay intact. Have unique requirements? Customize your migration with options to add tags to exported tickets for better organization, migrate specific Zendesk data like side conversations and call recordings, skip attachments to save storage space, export inline images as separate attachments, transfer the newest records first, update cross-links between articles to keep everything connected. Still unsure? Try a demo migration to test the replication process. Transfer sample data, compare results between Zendesk and Jira Service Management, and see how everything works. No downtime involved. Start your migration with confidence. Try a free trial demo today at the app helpdeskmigration.com.